Here's how to change your Apple ID photo in just a few steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on your Apple account to open your account settings. Then tap on your current profile picture at the top. This will open the profile picture customization page with avatars and emojis. To set a new photo, tap on the icon beside Choose a Photo. You can take a new photo using the camera, or choose an image from your photo library. Browse through your gallery and select the photo you'd like to use. Adjust the image as needed. Then tap Choose in the top right corner. You can also change the poster image if you want. And just like that, your new profile picture will now appear in your Apple account.